Hey everybody, this is Tony, and I do stuff. Today I want to be serious though. I'm going to reveal something to you out there. I have weak flow. Yes, I have low flow. And I'm making this video because I'm hoping that it's going to help somebody else out there that has the same problem. Low flow, weak flow can be fixed for less than $30. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Here we go.
My windshield was so dirty. I tried to clean it, but this is what happened. That's just not gonna work for me.
A malfunctioning windshield washer is not just embarrassing, it's dangerous. You gotta be able to see where you're going. So let's work on this.
The washer tank is below the battery, so it runs way down up under there. But I can see the discharge hose comes right up around here and goes into a outlet that goes under the cowl. What I think I'll do is I'll remove this line and then see if I get any discharge out of here. Alright, so it looks like our problem is going to be under that cowl. So, first things first, let's get that cowl off of there. Okay, what I found, besides a whole lot of dirt and very brittle weather stripping, is coming from this joint right here, goes down under the cowl, and there's a Y joint, and as you can see, that Y joint is ruptured. I'm going to replace all the hose from this 90-degree elbow. Replace this Y joint, and I'll probably get some new hose because this stuff here has been exposed to the sunlight, and I'm sure the UV rays have taken a toll. The hose still seems pretty flexible, and I guess since it's under the cowl, I don't know, maybe UV rays did it, maybe it's just time. I may not replace the hose, we'll see. This weather stripping that's on here is in really bad shape. It's just really brittle. Doesn't take anything to just snap it. It looks like it was foam. I've got a sheet of this air conditioning insulation. It's very similar, so I'm going to slice this stuff and glue it on there, and that's going to be my new weather strip. trip to my local auto parts store. $21 later, I got this and 6 feet of vacuum hose. So hopefully what I need is in there. Thanks in advance. And they do military discounts.
Wow, you're done already? I can't wait to try it. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, 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 goodness. Oh, yes. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, that was incredible. I'll ride anywhere with you now. But you're not done. You've still got to put the wiper blades back on, the weather stripping back in, and do a final test. And then we'll be good to go.